Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have another try on haul for you guys today. Today it's with OGLmove. OGL stands for Ongoing Gratitude and Love. We love that energy in this house. OGL is a sustainable apparel brand that focuses on sustainability and eco-friendly fabrics. And everything's really freaking cute. So you really can't beat that. OGL is all about using organic, natural materials and zero plastic use. You guys, I wish I would have kept the packaging it came in. You could tell the difference in the packaging. The packaging's made out of corn. Corn? I've never even heard of that before, and you can dissolve it in water in 5 minutes. This is insane. I didn't even know that existed until I received my package from OGL. I'm so proud to be partnering with OGL today. I think it's so important to do all that we can to help the planet, even when it comes down to our clothing, because that's important. I know I'm not perfect when it comes to this stuff, and I definitely need to take the time to be more educated on things like this, but I am so excited when I see brands that are doing the work and making it happen. So we're gonna get into today's try on haul. You're going to love it. I'm so excited to share. We have super cozy clothes in there. We have more dressy clothes. You're gonna love it all. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, we're starting off with some cozies. I have two super cute pieces here. I love easy tanks like this. This one has a built-in bra. What? So if you are someone, I never wear a bra, and I don't care about my nipples showing, that doesn't bother me, but if you are someone that really bothers you, then you'll really love this. It's the perfect length. It comes in different colors. The fabric is really stretchy too. It's so comfortable and nice ribbed material. Look at this color. Isn't this pretty? The fabric used for this is an eco-cozy fabric, which is plant-based. That's really cool. And it also is antibacterial, so it helps eliminate any sort of body odor. Now on the bottom here, I have these shorts. I love a nice, easy, cozy short. I don't know about you guys, but I'm someone that I can wear sweats all year round, but I live in the desert, so it's 105. So I need some shorts. What I love about these is that I could throw on a big t-shirt with them, a bodysuit. I could wear this tank with it, obviously. Just something cute and easy. You can run errands in these, lounge around for the day. They're really perfect for everything. I feel like I have to mention this. There's 4 pockets on this one pair of shorts. Look right here. We got these deep pockets in the front. Super cute, right? And then you got double booty pockets. I love it. They're so comfortable. I also really love this darker, like charcoal color. I think it's so cute. It's easy to match with everything. I live for cozy clothes, and even more I like that these cozy clothes are sustainable. And the tank top, you can definitely dress it up. Like I can wear it like I am now, super cozy and simple, or I could throw on like a cute pair of jeans with some heels, get a cute bag, and go. I'm obsessed. I love them both. Are we dying? Are you? So I have a matching set on. I love a baby tee like this. I love this so much, but I especially love the open back here. Are you kidding me? Like this is a dream. Again, like I said, I live in the desert, so I like this a lot. It's gonna help keep me cool. The fabric used on this is the Icy Air, which is a fabric that uses a high-tech heat conductive fibers that are cool to the touch for added comfort. I'm here for that. Girl, it's literally 105 outside, so I'm here for that. This is also really stretchy as well, which I love. The elasticity is great. It's super breathable. These shorts are so cozy. Squat test. Girl. These shorts fit me perfectly too. I have a smaller waist, so I find it hard for me to find things that can actually fit my middle. These fit perfectly. They're not too short, not too long. They're just right. They're so cozy, movable, breathable. You can dance, you can move. Let's go, ladies. Don't mind me. This is so cute. It's so comfortable. I love it. I'm here for it. Look at this dress. Isn't this so cute? I am in a dress phase right now, so I'm really loving this. This is so cool to the touch, by the way. It gives me the same kind of sensation that the cool side of the pillow does. Like, I really, really love it. I also really love this color blue, and this is something you could dress up or dress down however you want. This could be a really easy casual dress to wear. Like you could throw on some little white sneakers, have a cute bag, put on some sunglasses and run some errands. Let's go, you know? Or you could throw some heels on with it and make it more dressy. It's so cute and it's so comfortable. Look how beautiful this material is. I also love these seams right here. I think that looks so cute. I've never seen that on a dress before. This is another thing too. If you are looking for a form-fitting dress that's not too tight and you still feel comfortable in it, this is for you. Like, it's still really stretchy. If I go to dinner, I can eat as much as I want. Love that. A dress is the easiest outfit ever. You don't have to think about it. You just put it on and put on some shoes. It's so easy and cute and comfortable. You can wear this out with the girls. You can wear it for date night. It's so cute. I love it. I love this so much. Did I save my favorite for last? Yes, of course I did. Do you see how this fits me? This fits me like a glove. This dress fits me like a glove, and I just am gonna spin in circles so you can see the whole view. As you can see, this dress is more form-fitting. It also is the same E-Cozy fabric. The color is also my birthstone, so we love that. The dresses are so cute and cozy. Like, this is comfortable, and I love the way it fits my curves. Dress it up, dress it down. You can wear it however you want. If I want to dress this one down, I'd probably just throw on like a baseball hat, a cute little like mini backpack with some sneakers and go. If I want to dress it up, I'm putting on some nude heels with this. Probably curl my hair and put it up. You know what I mean? Have a cute little moment there. Some big hoops. I love this. This is so cute and it's so comfortable. And I love that through all of these items, this whole brand is just doing good for our environment, which is so, so important. Sustainability is important. Eco-friendly fabrics are important. All of this is so good, and I love that I am partnering with a brand that cares about the planet, because that is important, you guys. It's so important. I know that I'm not perfect at it, but I love supporting people who are doing all that they can to help. So, I mean, you're helping the earth and you're helping me look good, and I'm here for that. What did you think? Isn't it so cute? Everything's cute. I love that you can dress it up or dress it down. I'm obsessed. And also those shorts in the beginning, you guys, I'm gonna wear those out like it's nobody's business. That set, the matching set, hello, the dress, I'm still in the dress right now. I'm obsessed. I loved everything today. I hope that you guys did too. If you shop with OGL, please let me know. I also have a discount code for you guys today. It's Lyss20 for 20% off any purchase over $39. You guys are going to love everything. By the way, I've got every item today in a size medium, just for reference. I hope you loved this video. Thank you so much to OGL for working with me today. It was such an honor. I love everything. I can't wait to shop on my own time. Let me know what you guys get. Let me know your favorite item in this video. And let me know if you would like to see how I style these in future videos as well. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.